Hello and welcome to a Solana update video. Like always, first we are going to take a look to the 3 days chart, 3 days time frame, and then switch to the shorter time frame. So in the daily chart, we track a double 1-2 setup, 1, 2, 1, and 2, and we are still completing the second wave 2 here in the main scenario as an ABC structure. So our top of the wave 1 is here. We are tracking an A, a B, and a C. To the B wave, we can't really predict the B wave. The B wave is very unpredictable. A B wave can overshoot, a B wave can also be very short, but I will later come back to the daily chart and explain it a little bit more to you. What also is possible that this wave 2 is also finished here, but for that the chart needs to give me more evidence for this theory, and I mean we can change it also afterwards if the chart is bullisher, it's more bullish than expected. So like I said, after the B wave we would see a C wave, a 5 wave move to the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and hopefully seen our low in this wave 2 and look for higher prices. So let's take a look to the shorter time frame. So in the shorter time frame we are tracking an ABC structure, an A, B, C. The A wave as a 3-wave move, ABC, the A wave can be a 3-wave move. So in the wave B, a WXY. We can also see another low in this wave B. I will explain it later to you. So in the main scenario, we are in this wave C here. Wave C as a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3. In our target zone of the wave 3, starting with the 161% level at round about $172, extending to the 261% level at round about $194. Then a correction in the wave 4, and then a wave 5 in our target area, starting with the 100% level at round about $250, extending to the $123 at around about $236. So the wave C can also be bullisher, more bullish. So they are other Fibonacci levels, but for that the chart needs to give me more evidence if the chart is more bullish than expected. So I'm gonna zoom in to show you what I mean, that we can get another low. So the move to the upside from that low here is the 3-wave move. For me, it's clearly a 3-wave move, or you can count it also like this. It's still a 3-wave move. And like I always say, only a 5-wave move gives us certainty about the common trend, not a 3-wave move. If we only see a 3-wave move, the possibilities are very high that we can see another low. So I can't say that we are clear right now in this C wave. We can also be in this B wave and see another low here. So you need to be cautious right now. Exactly. I wanted to switch again to the daily chart to show you what I mean with the length of or the high of the B wave. So in the shorter time frame, this move to the upside we declare it as an A wave. This move to the downside as an B wave. So the next move to the upside would be as an C wave. And from that point we have two possibilities. One is more bullish, one is less bullish. So let's start with the more bullish. So like I said, the first move to the upside would be an A wave, the move to the downside a B wave, the next move to the upside a C wave, and that would be the subwaves of this higher wave A. Like I said, an A wave can be a 3-wave move. So this ABC would be only the subwaves, the 3-wave move of this A wave. From that point, we will see a B wave, and then a 5-wave move to the upside as in C wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could lead us to this target area, starting with the 123% level at $340, extending to the 138% level at $367 for our high in this B wave. So, not that. So the less bullish scenario would be that this ABC structure, what we are completing right now, is the ABC structure of this B wave. So from that point we wouldn't see another B wave and another C wave. So here is our top in the B wave, and from that point we would see a 5-wave move down to the C wave here. That's the less bullisher scenario. Like I said, we can't tell right now which of the two scenarios will happen. The chart needs to give us more evidence on that, not that, to evaluate what is more probable. Exactly. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.